Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to resolve Wi-Fi connection issues on your Motorola Razr Fold. First of all, before troubleshooting this issue on your Motorola Razr directly, make sure that other devices that use the same Wi-Fi network you want to connect your Motorola to have the free internet access. Have the internet access. So make sure that you can connect to the internet on your laptop that is connected to the same Wi-Fi network, or your tablet or your PC. And if you do, then first of all, let's try to refresh Wi-Fi connections by swiping down the control center and enabling the airplane mode. Let's find the airplane mode icon here. Turn it on. This will disable all the connections, and then disable the airplane mode, and all the connections will refresh. If this doesn't help you, also try restarting your smartphone by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time and selecting the restart option on your screen. Once our device is restarted, let's try to reconnect to the Wi-Fi network. Also give your device a moment to relaunch. Open settings on it and go to network and internet. Now here, let's select Wi-Fi. Let's select the Wi-Fi network we are currently connected to. And let's try to forget it. Then select it once again from the list and re-enter the password to it. When we re-enter the password, tap connect once again and wait until you are reconnected with your Wi-Fi network. If this doesn't help you, then go back to settings, go to system, select reset options, and select reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi right here. Confirm your choice, and then return back to network and internet settings. Enable Wi-Fi, find your network once again, and reconnect to it. And this time everything should be working well. And that's how you resolve the Wi-Fi connection issue on your smartphone. If these steps do not help you, reach out to your internet provider or simply restart the router. And if nothing helps you, then even if this didn't help you, then you should definitely reach out to Motorola customer support service. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.